So my name is Katia Pinto. I'm the Executive Secretary of SFCOLAB. So SFCOLAB, or Smart Farm Collab, is a collaborative laboratory that has the main mission to boost digital innovation in agriculture, in particular across the primary sector and for three main agro sectors, namely the viticulture, the fruticulture and the horticulture. SFCOLAB is composed by a consortium of 18 members, namely universities, R&D centers, private companies related with both technology developing, production, transports and Torres Vedras municipality. And our mission is on the transfer of the knowledge and the technology from the digital technology from academia to the companies, from the agro sector or the farmers. And like this, we act as a facilitator through a cross-sectoral approach. So SFCOLAB was created with the global agro challenging of producing more, using less, by decreasing and optimizing the resources and decrease the carbon footprint, perfectly aligned with SDGs goals. We are currently facing the agriculture 4.0 and the big data era, and SFCOLAB has an important mission right here in the way to help not only the dissemination of these digital technologies for the agro sector, but also the adoption of these technologies while giving the support needed and allowing the access to these technologies. Regarding the challenges, population is growing and it's expected to be more than 9 billion people by 2050. We need to feed the world and to find enough food. So the big challenges are how can we do that without causing dangers to the planet and to preserve our most valuable resources. We need to produce more using less. In fact, we need to implement a more sustainable future for all of us. And to do so, there are some challenges that are transversal for the integration of any of the Sustainable Development Goals. One of them is implementation, such as the new strategies, for example, digital technologies. Digital solutions have a crucial role and can support, in the case of agriculture, for the precision agriculture and thus to the daily basis management of farming systems such as irrigation, age input application, control and monitoring or decision supporting tools. Technology solutions drive sustainability. On top of that, another challenging is the government action, and here the policymakers have a crucial role for the implementation and or application of any of the identified strategy. Sustainable Development Goals benefit business in the way that can grow opportunities in the agriculture sector, namely the development of new digital solutions for digitalization of agriculture. As previously referred, it is important to produce more using less by caring about our most valuable resources and by preserving the natural biodiversity and ecosystem. Keep the balance. And how can we perform it? So, in the case of agriculture, through actionable intelligent strategies, such as development of intelligent machines, customized and low-cost sensors, and other real monitoring systems that will support farmers work more precisely, efficiently, and more sustainable. And to do so, it is important to settle not only digital solutions in the field, as sensing technologies, drones, robots, but, and more important, to get results from the field and transform them into actions. That means data-driven insights in improved decision making and the daily management practices, which have an important role in the process. However, for the success of these technological solutions or digital solutions, it is important that them must be accessible to everyone, and this is very crucial. Giving a practical example, for example, in the case of pest management and also pesticide application, according to the European Commission's directive, integrated also in the Green Deal, the use of pesticides in agriculture must be reduced, and they say by 30 to 50% until 2030. So actions are really needed, and digital solutions can support this. What is important is to align both technology services with a strong R&D, and for this we need to be supported by funding opportunities. And for sure, to engage and to answer all these sustainable development goals, we need a multidisciplinary and also different teams, multidisciplinary subjects and multidisciplinary teams. So as advice, And regarding the particular case of agriculture, technology and innovation are important to answer the Sustainable Development Goals. However, these technologies must be accessible and their implementation must be applied in a simple and accurate way by giving the support that needed, in this case to the farmers or to the end users.